can start. So color whatever you like, you can use. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So you can make like this 10 10, or you can make for baby blanket. If you want to make 72 chains, you can make more than big or smaller. So I'm gonna plus 2. Like if you want to make baby blanket, you can make 72 chains, but you can make just make 10 10 then plus 2. So I'm gonna make here single crochet, then yarn over, then same stitch, make double crochet, then skip one chain, second chain, make again single crochet, then make in same stitch double crochet, skip one, make chain, make again double crochet, skip always one, it's multiple 2 actually. So you can make heart set for baby. Just this pattern is multiple 2. You can make even number chains, then plus 2. That still make even number if you plus 2. Like I made 22. So skip one always. Skip one. Skip one, make single crochet, then make double crochet same stitch, skip one, make single crochet, then make double crochet same stitch, skip one, make in second, make double crochet, skip one, so I have 2 stitch. You should have 2 stitch at the end. Make last one single crochet. So like this, chain 1, so make single crochet, then double crochet there. So here you can see 1 2. So I'm gonna make note this skip. This pattern is just in one row, simple easy pattern for many project. You can make so many things. So note there, here single crochet, then make double same stitch, then skip this, make double in same place, skip this, make double in same, skip one, skip one, make single, skip one, single, then double same stitch. Always skip one and one single, one double each stitch. So if you want to make baby blanket, make 65 rows, then plus extra 3 rows for like border. Make at the end single, chain 1, same stitch, single, then double, skip 1, make single, then double, same stitch, skip 1, skip 1, single, then double, skip 1, skip 1, skip 1, make same stitch, skip 1, single, double, skip 1, single, double, skip 1, make single, then double, then you should have 2 stitch at the end. So pretty pattern this. I hope you will love this pattern. Single, then same stitch, double, skip 1, single, then double, skip 1, then single, double, skip 1, make single, then same stitch, double, skip 1, make single, then double, make single crochet, then make double, skip 1, so I'm gonna continue like this, then I'll show you at the end. Skip 1, make double, skip 1, single, make double. I have 2 stitch, last one I'm gonna make single, chain 1, then make same stitch, double. So you can see I will show you at the end. I'm gonna continue like this. Okay, I hope you understand with this one now. It's so easy pattern. So viewers, I'm gonna finish my this model pattern. So I hope you both sides are same. So easy, super quick this pattern. It's very nice. I hope you will love this pattern. If you like it, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for a nice compliment. I hope you will love this pattern.